Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening the project folder in VS Code so the editor knows your workspace, and then open the integrated terminal. Once done, verify package. JSON exists because npm or yarn reads that to install node modules. You run the first install command now, npm install or yarn install. This creates node modules locally, and VS Code updates its Explorer. Make sure the terminal's working directory matches your project root to avoid installing into the wrong folder. After starting install, watch the terminal output so you catch permission errors or version conflicts. These stop node modules from being created. Once packages download, VS Code's Explorer refreshes, you'll see node modules at the project root. If you don't, make sure hidden files are visible or click Refresh in Explorer. Also check Settings, Files. Exclude may hide node modules. Adjust it temporarily so you can inspect contents. And confirm package versions and nested dependencies to understand why certain folders appear. To finish, validate that node modules contains expected packages and that your app runs. If something fails, stop and remove node modules and lock file, then run a clean install, npm sci or npm install. Make sure file permissions allow creation and that you're using the correct node and npm versions. One key troubleshooting tip: if node module still doesn't appear, inspect files. Exclude and workspace settings in VS Code. Those can hide the folder even when it exists, so disable hiding to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.